2 best caulking secrets to get professional lines quickly and easily. If you decide to change an old caulk to improve your bathroom or kitchen, you must know lifesaver techniques, without which it is impossible to create excellent caulk lines. In this article, I'm going to share with you 2 ways that will allow you to exponentially save time, make your work cleaner, and easier. These techniques are available to absolutely everyone, even if you have never used silicone before. I heard about these methods from a professional serviceman. With the help of these tips, I saved several $100s, not calling a repairman, and did everything myself. The result was excellent. No one would think that I did it myself, and even for the first time in my life. Check these methods, please. 1. Soapy water technique. 2. Mask tape technique. 1. Soapy water technique. Indispensable for curved lines such as a sink. Cannot be used on surfaces that can be left spot from soapy water, e.g. putty, wood. Step-by-step instruction. 1. Clean thoroughly all elements and to wait until everything is dry. 2. Clean everything with alcohol or any other disinfecting solvent. 3. Apply silicone with a small margin. Do not allow missing. 4. Using a spray bottle, spray the seam and also a caulking tool. This trick helps easier and more even glide of the tool, and it is also easier to clean the silicone from the tool later. 5. Carefully remove excess silicone with a caulking tool. If you do not like the result, do not apply silicone to the soap solution, as it will not attach. In this case, you should start over. 2. Mask tape technique. Perfect for creating straight lines. Step-by-step instruction. 1. Clean and dry the surface. 2. Degrease the surface. 3. Stick the tape on both sides of the working area. It will outline straight lines and will not allow the silicone to spread further than you want. 4. Carefully remove excess silicone with a caulking tool. 5. You should remove the tape immediately, otherwise the silicone will harden and the line will turn out to be sloppy. That's it! Isn't it easy? If you know both techniques, let me know. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon!